Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is State of the Global Climate 2024. 2024 is officially said to be the hottest year in recorded history as announced by the World Meteorological Organization. United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres highlighted that the top 10 hottest years have occurred in the last decade. Climate change caused 41 additional dangerous heat days in 2024, severely impacting health and ecosystems. WMO's comprehensive climate report will be released in March 2025. The year also witnessed intensified climate events like floods, heat waves, and wildfires. Before moving further, we wanted to inform you that the ISGS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains offline batch at Drishti Noida starts on 9th January for English medium and 16th January for Hindi medium. For more details, call us on 87501 87501. Enroll now. Let's discuss key climate events in 2024. Extreme weather. Record-breaking rainfall caused catastrophic floods globally. Heat waves. Temperatures exceeded 50 degrees Celsius in some regions, posing severe health risks. Wildfires. Large-scale forest fires led to significant biodiversity and property loss. Lives affected. Over 3,700 lives lost and millions displaced due to 29 major climate events. Human impact. Climate change intensified 26 of these events, amplifying risks and damages. Let's look into the global response and future plan. WMO emphasized the urgency of reducing global warming to mitigate climate risks. Efforts are underway to address rising temperatures and extreme weather impacts. 2025 has been designated as the International Year of Glaciers Preservation. WMO and UNESCO will lead initiatives to protect the Earth's cryosphere. Increased global cooperation is needed to combat climate change effectively. Now's the time to test your knowledge. The question is, which organization declared 2024 the hottest year on record? UNESCO, WHO, WMO, or IPCC? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.